How to fix action needed on Wi-Fi error on Windows. 1. Set 0 to enable active probing at hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /services /nlsvc /parameters /internet in Windows registry. Then set 1 to no active prob at hklm /software /policies /microsoft /windows /network connectivity status indicator. 2. Disable NCSI problem from group. Policy objects. 2.1 Enable turn off Windows network connectivity status indicator active tests at computer configuration /administrative templates /system under bdi.msc. 2.2 Enable specify passive polling at computer configuration /administrative templates /network.